So this is how you can use the Shein referral code. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Shein. Today you will learn how to use your code and someone else's code. So go ahead and go to Shein, just simply open it, and then as you can see from the bottom there are 5 different icons. Shop, category, new, cart, and me. You're going to want to tap on me at the bottom right, and then here if you scroll through your more services, you're going to find share and earn. Tap on that and then you will find your code. So just simply tap on copy or tap on others if you want to send it through their Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, or you want to copy the link or save the image or tap on more if you want other forms of sharing. But yeah, just copy the link, send it to your friends, and then they will be able to use your Shein referral code. If you want to use someone else's code, they're gonna have to do the same thing. Just tell them to go to their Me profile, tap on share and earn, copy the link, and then send the link to you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.